welcome everyone. Hello, hi. Just a minute. So, on behalf of Dr. Desha and Sai Karna Mission team, I welcome you all. My name is Rumi. Thank you for joining the meditation with us today. USA team and of course from world over, whoever has joined us today. We are doing a beautiful topic today on inner child healing. So this has been personally for me a very, very powerful healing process since the time I started healing. And I can tell you that the kind of shift it can bring inside you, the healing and the transformation that it brings when you heal this part inside you. So let me give you a little bit of an explanation, a gist about inner child. So who is this inner child and where is this inner child? The child that we're going to heal is nothing but our younger self. Just to put it in a very, very simple way. In fact, if you think about it, yesterday I was younger than today. So if anything happened to me yesterday, even that is healing the younger self. Okay, so younger self or our inner child. Now, why we call it an inner child is usually because, and this is as per research and studies and even psychologists say that the initial 6 years, so let's say 0 to 6 or sometimes let's say 0 to 7 is considered as the most crucial phase of our life, which is like the setting stone for our belief systems and mind programming in this life, based on the experiences that we absorbed like a sponge, because our unconscious is just absorbing everything. Our subconscious is just absorbing everything right from the time we were in the womb, in our mother's womb, and then right after our birth, from infancy to being a child, a baby, a toddler. I mean, all of these phases are so crucial in our developmental process, especially the mental, the psychological development, that usually the core memories or the first memories associated with a lot of issues in our life can be traced back to this period. Having said that, it's not necessary you have to go back to the time you were 5-year-old, 3-year-old, 2-year-old. Let's leave that to our subconscious. So today in this meditation, I shall guide you first to a basic chakra opening and connection. So we will align our chakras so that we connect to the higher energies and we feel ourselves merging into the infinite light. That brings you to the state of healing, because your brain frequency drops, gets into a theta and maybe even a delta state it can touch into, which is the perfect state at which you can bring about the shift, where you can unlock your deep-rooted memories and patterns. Patterns occur as a result of the history behind it, of an experience that has got logged in our subconscious. In that experience, there are feelings, emotions, there are programs, there are beliefs, there are oaths that we have taken. So this gets unlocked in that deep meditative state. So let's first enter into that meditative state, allow our unconscious mind to open, and then we're going to meet our younger self. Now, trust the process and let it happen instinctively, intuitively. Whatever you see in front of you, at whichever age you see your younger self, that holds a message for you. So let's heal that part. The inner child is nothing but a part inside you. Why is it important to heal this part? Let me tell you a little bit, a small reference over here. Imagine you're an adult and you have a kid with you. A kid who's in a walking stage, and maybe 2 years, 3 years, any of that age, let's say, and you need to get somewhere, you need to reach somewhere, and you're in a hurry, but this child is there with you. Now you're holding the hand of this child, walking, and you have to reach that destination. You want to really reach as soon as possible. But tell me one thing. How soon you reach there depends on whose speed, whose pace, your pace or the child's pace. If you just think about it, the child is with you. The child is your responsibility. Can you just leave the child, abandon the child and run to reach your destination? Would you be able to do that? Never, right? You're holding the child. The child is with you, and of course, now some of you can think that let me just carry the child. Well, then again, you will be slower, right? Because that extra weight is on you. If you're able to lift the child, if that child is a toddler, yes, you can carry. But again, you are going to be slower because there's an extra weight. And if the child is working with you also, your speed is determined by the speed of the child. So our younger self that is unhealed is just like that child who is affecting your pace to reach your destination. We have goals, we have aspirations, we have dreams. We want a certain outcome in our life. But why does it not happen? It's not any external force blocking you. It is those unhealed parts inside us that actually does not allow us to reach our goal. The consciously, logically, I want to be this in my life. But if there is a huge fear in our unconscious, in our subconscious mind that no, that is not safe or that is not the best, because of some fears that are etched in our mind, experiences, feeling of unsafety or unworthiness, extreme low self-esteem. As a child, if there's been a feeling of lack of love, attention, support, that I need to sacrifice myself, I need to forget about myself and just please others to get approval from outside. All such things are ingrained inside of us, making us feel less confident about ourselves, not have faith in ourselves, not believe in ourselves, not love ourselves. So much of this is inside of us. So healing this part inside you is so crucial. Do not let it slow you down. Because once you have healed this child is not going to nag you or pull you back. You're one with that child. That child is no more stuck there. Your adult self and this younger self are aligned now. Your adult self wants this in life. Your younger self will be aligned with it. They're not in conflict with each other, stuck somewhere because of some trauma, abuse, something that happened in the past. You are aligned. You're one. This is what happens in an inner child healing. I hope this has made it clear and you would have understood the depth of this healing and the importance of this healing. We all have to heal that child inside us. Let's make that child alive once again. Let's be that free-spirited, innocent, pure God's child once again. Where is that child, right? We all have it inside you, but it's so suppressed. We don't even laugh openly like a child with that innocence, with that freedom. So let's once again awaken that child inside us through this meditation, through this healing. So let's get started. Kindly prepare yourself now. All right. So I would request you to sit comfortably, closing your eyes. And as you settle down, making yourself absolutely at ease from here on, relaxing your mind, relaxing your body. Bring awareness, focus to your breath, your breathing. And just watch and observe your breath flowing In and out, in and out, like waves. And with every breath, you are coming more and more in awareness. Letting all the thoughts just pass by, just like a visitor visiting and leaving, without resisting, fighting. Just allow yourself to come in the awareness of the now, of the present, every breath. The more you relax, the deeper you go. And the deeper you go, the more you relax. Going deep in awareness, deep in pure consciousness. So just relax and let go completely. Drop all the weight from your body. Let all the worry, tension, fear be exhaled out with every breath. As you relax and let go completely. I want you to imagine as if you're letting all that tension, heaviness, getting discharged down to the ground, to the earth, draining it all down into Mother Earth. And just feel your connection with Mother Earth. The rocks, the minerals, the crystals grounding you as you invoke upon the grace of Mother Earth. Just feel your connection. That you're always energetically, physically connected with Mother Earth. And now, let Mother Earth heal you with her grace, with her compassionate energy. The energy of all these rocks, minerals, crystals. Let it flow into you. Imagine this energy entering through your feet. Let it flow up through your legs, rising up, flowing up with ease and with grace. Just like a tree with roots beneath, we are always connected. Always supported, always having this grounding, stability, purity from Mother Earth. Mother Earth is nourishing us always. Feel that connection strength. Let the energy keep flowing upwards like a healing, sparkling energy washing through every cell, every nerve, every fiber. Let it wash up through your leg as it flows up through your calf muscles, your knee, your thigh, your hips, and both your legs completely relaxed. Pulling up the energy all the way up. Let it flow up to the base of your spine, swirling at the base of your spine. Now, bring all your awareness, focus to the base of your spine. And imagine this light entering your root chakra at the base of your spine. Now, like a lotus flower opening, shining, expanding and blooming fully. And there is a swirling, tingling energy like a lightning that sparkles at the base of your spine, the root of your energy. Now, let this light wash through the base of your spine, cleaning your root chakra. Let this light wash away any heaviness, darkness, any blockages, any feelings of lack of support, lack of structure, lack of grounding, getting washed away, release. Infusing in your root chakra the strength, the support, the grounding, the stability, sense of structure, making your base, your foundation stronger and stronger and stronger. Feel that direct connection from Mother Earth to your root chakra, balancing your earth element, and feel that strength, that stability. Your root chakra open, aligned and balanced. Let the energy swirl and swirl and swirl all the way further up now. Allow this energy to come up from your root chakra, swirling it up to your sacral chakra now. Entering your sacral chakra, Swadhisthana chakra, just below your navel, 2 inches below your navel. Imagine like another lotus flower that opens up, and visualize this light swirling and shining in your sacral chakra. Now, and experience the healing in your sacral chakra. as light enters your sacral chakra, healing any heaviness, darkness, any blockage, all those emotional imbalances, toxins, let it be washed away from your sacral chakra. Cleansing it away, washing it away, like a dark energy releasing. Cleaning away all the experiences that you have gone through, all the dark energy releasing, and filling you with this new light swirling in your sacral chakra. Let the energy flow. Let the energy flow. Experience this energy coming up now, further up along your spine, as your sacral chakra aligns, balances, heals, water element healed and balanced. Both your lower chakras coming in alignment as this divine force now rises further up along your spine, coming up from your sacral chakra, let it shine up to your solar plexus chakra. Now, your Manipura chakra. This light entering your Manipura chakra, solar plexus chakra, 2 inches above your navel. Opening your solar plexus chakra like another beautiful flower that opens up, and this light is swirling in your solar plexus, healing, shining and radiating in your solar plexus, pulsing around your diaphragm, shining and radiating in all directions like a bright sun-like energy. Your fire element ignited, aligned and balanced. Any darkness or feeling angry, helpless, powerless, let it be healed. Any undigested emotion like a darkness, let it be cleaned and washed away. All those cords of empathy, all those cords connected to family, let it be healed with this light and unblocking your solar plexus chakra now. Let the energy flow. Let the energy flow. This healing, sparkling energy in your solar plexus chakra, healing all that needs to be healed, releasing all that needs to be released. And all the 3 lower chakras feeling very, very light as they come in alignment. Raising your energy, raising your vibration. Let this divine force within rise further up along your spine. Let the shining energy now swirl up all the way up to your heart center, opening your heart chakra. Now, let the energy flow. Bring all your awareness focus to your heart center. Imagine like a gigantic, beautiful lotus flower opening up. from the middle of your chest and is blooming, shining, radiating and expanding the energy in all directions. Opening your heart chakra. Let the light of your soul be expressed from your heart center, that there is no need to suppress this light. Allow it to be expressed. Let it expand. And as this light expands, it cuts through all the heaviness, congestion stored in your chest, in your lungs, in your heart, all that grief, sorrow, sadness, loneliness, loss, getting healed. As you allow the expansion of light from your heart center, opening your heart chakra, allowing your heart chakra to be healed with the light. Your heart center filled with this new light of divine love, safety, peace, harmony, and compassion. The divine compassion flowing from your heart, healing your heart, allowing you to forgive yourself and the other with compassion, to be able to let go of what no longer serves you. Feel the light of your heart expanding. It is so powerful that it explodes and expands through your aura. And your aura expands with this light. Feel this light in your heart. Feel this light in your aura. Experience it. And the air element within you getting healed, aligned, and balanced. Your heart is open and full of light. Your heart is made of light. It can never break. It is so strong and powerful. Only and only light. Feel your divine spiritual connection to the infinite source, the supreme light. Feel that connection directly from your heart. Your consciousness opening, your awareness expanding. Feel this energy now flowing further up along your spine, all the way up to your throat center now. Opening your throat chakra. And imagine this light shining from deep within your throat center, like another lotus flower opening at your throat chakra, flushing out all the toxins, the suppressed emotions, overwhelming worry, fear, all that pressure to do many things, your blocked communication, expression, release and unblock. And this light shining from your throat chakra, releasing what needs to be released. Your truth is expressed. Your speech is expressed. Feel that healing in your throat center. Space and ether element activated, aligned and balanced. Feel that in your throat. And let the energy swirl and swirl and swirl and now flow up. Rise up all the way up to your third eye center. Entering your third eye chakra. Now, bring all your awareness focus between your eyebrows, through which this light shines and radiates. This light enters your third eye. In the core of your brain, the middle of your brain, your pineal gland, like a switch turned on, and there is immense light. This bright light shining from your third eye center, balancing your left brain, right brain, shining in all directions. Removing all the blockages, fears from your third eye. Fear of using your intuition, your wisdom. Let it be healed. And your intuition, your wisdom, your vision, your clairvoyance getting activated. Ready to receive all the wisdom. Your third eye center shining brighter and brighter and brighter. Removing all the mental level disturbances and imbalances. Shiv Shakti, feminine, masculine imbalances. Left brain, right brain imbalances. All balance, balance, balance. And there is clarity, clarity, clarity. Third eye center is active, aligned, balanced, space element balanced. Let the energy now flow up, all the way up, piercing your crown center and opening your crown chakra now. And feel that divine gateway portal opening up as you open your crown chakra and feel your spiritual connection at your crown center. Coming up to the top of your head, shining like a 1,000-petal lotus flower, opening up. Feel your divine connection. Removing all the feelings of disconnection, any confusion, any ego attachments holding you down, removed. Feel that spirit cord connected to you above your crown, to the infinite light, the light of wisdom, the light of divine. You're connected to this light. Feel that energy cord expanding above your crown, and you are in the invocation of this light. This light of God, divine wisdom, the light of oneness. Feel and experience this light in your auric body, in your physical body. You are like a ball of light, ball of energy. dissolving into this light. Feel yourself disintegrating and merging into an ocean of infinite light. Just like sugar dissolving in milk, you're dissolving into this infinite light, becoming one with the light of creation, the light of wisdom, the light of all that is. Experience the mystical union with divine, as if this light infinitely expands in the universe, limitlessly. Feel the sensations of being this light, that you are pure light, pure consciousness, your purest state of existence, your highest truth. Just be. In this light of wisdom, we shall now give the thought, the prayer, the intention that let this divine healing energy flow for healing to my inner child, my younger self now. Thank you. And now witness and visualize this light taking you back, going back to you when you were a little child, your younger self. See that younger self flash in front of you. First thought, God's thought. However you see that child, at whichever age you see that child, just trust your intuition. This child wants to talk to you. And you are revisiting your younger self now. Whichever age, whether 4, 5, 6, or any other time, wherever your subconscious takes you, go to that time. You may even see your old home, your old school, or anywhere else, and look at yourself at that point of time. As you meet your younger self, lovingly, caringly, so much of love, care. You are visiting your younger self, blessing your younger self, expressing love to your younger self so much. Tell this child that you are wonderful, you are loved, you're safe. God's love and support is always there with you. Never doubt yourself, believe in yourself. And you're building this confidence in that younger self. You may have missed this child for such a long time. It's time to hug this child, meet this child. See how wonderful and beautiful this child is. This is you. This is nothing but you. Your true self. That part inside you that was stuck in time for so long, and now finally you're meeting this part. If you can't love your own self, then how can you love someone else? Express love to this child. Look at the eyes of this beautiful child. And let this child express everything to you. Maybe this child has so long been waiting and missed you, wanting to express and tell everything. Acknowledge everything that the child is holding and is expressing. Look into the eyes of that beautiful child, God's child. And as you look into the eyes of that child, you will be able to read everything that the child is holding. Any grief, sadness, any abuse, trauma that the child experienced, any unworthiness, feeling of lack of love, attention, support, any rejection, humiliation the child felt, any fear the child experienced, trauma of abandonment, separation, all such experiences, whatever it is, understand it, acknowledge it, allow that child to express everything. Let the child hug you, cry and speak it all out. All the sadness, all the grief, all the trauma, whatever the child has gone through, any feeling of being rejected, all the fears that the child is holding, feeling unsafe, lack of protection, safety, all of that, feel it. And is the child hating the self, body, look? Is there any self-rejection, unworthiness? Everything you will know, and you're acknowledging now. This is the time. How long will it stay suppressed inside you? Let it be unlocked. Any feeling that this child is holding of not being acknowledged by father or mother or siblings, tell this child that it is now time to free yourself from all this that has been holding you down, that has chained you all this while. Everything that the child has been holding, this is the time to let go. As the child expresses it all to you, console this child, wiping the tears of the child, acknowledging everything this child has gone through. Tell the child, you deserve to be free. You are free to Let go of all this. You deserve to be in peace, love, and light. Make the prayer, give the thought, the intention now. Let the energy flow. And allow the light of wisdom to enter this child, this younger self, this God's love and light. Releasing all the feelings of unworthiness, lack of love, attention, support, any humiliation, rejection, all the fears, all the sadness, any feeling of loneliness, abandonment, separation, any anger, grudge, bitterness that the child has been holding because of feeling humiliated, rejected, or judged, criticized, and rejected own self, all that feeling of sorriness, feeling so sorry for everything, guilty, any shame, any regret, release it all. Allow the light to enter and the darkness to be expelled out. All that energy of abuse, judgment, worries, any unforgiveness, anywhere the child closed the heart, wanted to be alone, suppressed all emotions within, release. That darkness, let it all be released to the divine light. Feel the darkness releasing, going up into the light. Tell this child, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Free this child. You deserve to be free. Setting the child free, allowing the child to be that pure, innocent, free-spirited child once again. Give a warm hug to this child. Feel the relief of this child, the lightness of this child. Let the child be filled with this light, making the child feel loved, safe, supported, and worthy. This infinite God's worthiness is filling the child, telling the child that your worth is infinite and unconditional. Your worthiness is unconditional. It is never dependent on any approval from outside, any condition from outside. Your worthiness is infinite. It is unconditional. You're created with a divine purpose, and hence you're worthy. You are a spark of God. You are a spark of divine. Never doubt yourself. Believe in yourself and trust yourself. Feel that empowerment as this younger self is able to move on and merge with you, become one with you. Feel that enlightenment. It is so strong and powerful that you're able to move on with the power of compassion and forgiveness. It is now time to allow the power of forgiveness to take over. Healing any unwanted energetic imbalances that has been created with anyone at any point of time in your life that is holding you back and pulling you back. Starting with parents. So let us make this prayer, giving this intention now that let this light of wisdom flow and forgiveness be done energetically with all the people with whom there is any karma of anger, hatred, vengeance, unforgiveness, grief, sorrow, any abuse that happened, any trauma that happened, any emotional pain, scar that happened. Let the forgiveness happen energetically with all those people. Any lack of love, attention, support, any feeling of betrayal, humiliation, insult, guilt, shame. Let this light of wisdom flow with compassion and let the forgiveness dissolve all these energy cores. Let the love and light flow for healing, flow for healing, flow for healing. In this beautiful light now, I want you to first see the soul of your father coming. Whether he is alive or in the spirit world doesn't really matter. The soul is always there. Look into his eyes. He may have loved you for many things. And anything inside you that you're holding on against him, or any guilt you hold within you, this is the time to clean this energy. Because you both are suffering from this, whatever is unhealed, unresolved. Making you remember all that has happened between you both, that is still unhealed and unresolved. Let it be healed now. Let the energy flow. Let go and let God take over. Seeking forgiveness from him for holding anything against him. And this new light shows you, giving you a new perspective. If anything happened, why it happened. Compassion. Look at your father. And let there be love and light flowing now between you and him. This light of compassion and forgiveness. Now, I want you to see the soul of your mother. And the same way you made the prayer, all the healing happened between you and your mother now, with this light of wisdom, the power of compassion and forgiveness. Anything that hurt you and that is still hurting you deep down, or anything that you're holding within that is making you feel guilty. Any experience, whatever happened, seeing it in new light, with compassion when you're able to see it. Look at your mother. Whatever happened, you're able to let go of it. Seek forgiveness. Let the energy flow. Releasing all the feelings of unworthiness, any humiliation, rejection, lack of love, attention, support, any guilt, any shame. Anything that happened, release. Seek forgiveness from her. Forgive, let go, and move on with love and light. this healing energy entering inside you, this new light is entering inside you, spreading this beautiful light of forgiveness, compassion, healing. All those cords no longer binding you. It is healed and released with compassion. Your younger self is healed. Your inner self is healed. You're at peace with yourself. And last but not the least, you're able to forgive your own self for all the doubts, disbelief, self-rejection, self-hatred that you may have done to yourself, all the times you did not appreciate or accept yourself. Clean away that energy from within you. Forgiving yourself for hurting yourself. All that darkness releasing and the new light entering inside you. You're able to love yourself, accept yourself, believe in yourself. Feel this light, the shiny, tingling light. Feel the pressure and vibration of this new light through your body. You can actually sense it. The physical sensations, the tingling vibrations. Visualize this light inside. The feeling that you're having. The feeling of your self, of who you are and what you are. Experience the bliss of highest self-realization. You are in the light of divine. Feel the peace, the harmony, the bliss. Give gratitude now from the core of your being. Gratitude for all the healing, for all the awareness, for all the self-realizations. Gratitude to all the divine forces, masters, angels, guides, gurus. Gratitude to parents, ancestors, gratitude to teachers. Gratitude to all the divine forces for all the success, joy, abundance, contentment, happiness in life. Grateful for it, ever grateful for it. Give this gratitude out to the universe. See your future self in this new light, this healed part, giving you the successful outcome in your future. And you're grateful, grateful, grateful. Rinse in this God's light, divine light now. And gently and slowly Bring back awareness to your body, back in your space, pulling back all the energy and letting it align, balance, and integrate within, aligning with your spine, and your spine is aligned. Pulling it all back within, just come back gently and slowly. Feel the integration within, feel your body. Give gratitude to the body. Coming back in your space, back in your aura. Your inner geometry is aligned. You're in alignment, balance, and harmony. Bring focus between your eyebrows and just settle at your third eye, feeling centered and mindful. And gently and slowly, whenever you're ready, you may gently and slowly open your eyes. Take your time and cut any energy cord created from your navel 3 times, cutting the cords 3 times from your navel. Cut, cut, cut.
Beautiful session.